Google Search Console now allows you to add your YouTube channel as a platform property. This lets you monitor how your YouTube videos perform in Google Search. In this video, I'll show you how to add your YouTube channel and explain the reports you'll see after Search Console starts collecting data. Log into your Google Search Console account, or create a new one. Click on the Property Selector drop-down at the top left of the sidebar. Click on Add Property. Look for the Platform Properties list, which includes Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube, and click Add next to YouTube. Google will automatically display the YouTube channels associated with your Google account. Select the channel you want to add. In my case, I'm selecting it TechFin2K. Finally, click the Add Property button to continue. After clicking the Add Property button, Google Search Console starts adding your YouTube channel as a platform property. Once the process is complete, you'll see your channel listed along with a message that says, Search Console has started collecting search performance data. It can take up to 48 hours for the data to appear in reports. After clicking Done, open the Property Selector in the top left corner and choose your YouTube property from the list. Since I added this YouTube channel about 3 days ago, Search Console has already collected some search performance data. Let's take a look at the reports. On the Insights page, you can see an overview of your channel's performance in Google Search. At the top, you'll see the total number of clicks your YouTube content has received from Google Search since data collection began. Below that, Search Console separates the clicks from Google Web Search and other Google traffic sources. Selecting Web Search opens the Performance Report, where you can view clicks, impressions, average CTR, and average position. If you're wondering what other traffic sources means, simply hover over the information icon. These are clicks your YouTube channel received from Google search surfaces other than Google Web Search, such as Google Video Search, Google Discover, Google Images, and Google News. As you scroll down, Search Console provides even more useful insights. You can identify which videos are receiving search traffic, the keywords people search for to find your content, and the countries your Google search audience is coming from. In the Performance section, under the Queries tab, you can view the search terms associated with your YouTube content. The Countries tab displays where your search impressions and clicks are coming from. This information can help you understand where your YouTube content is gaining visibility across different countries in Google Search. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TechFin2K YouTube channel. For more in-depth articles, SEO tips, AI tools, WordPress tutorials, and web hosting guides, visit techfin2k.com. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.